Hi, hello everyone. So basically, the problem is like suppose this is a form, and if you are going to add some details, like I'm adding here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or whatever. So I just added all the details and I click on submit. So as you can see, the details are already added, and the same details are added in the database. Now, when I click on refresh, then as you can see a form submission pop-up is there. So when I click on continue, another details with the same parameters are added. So as you can see, the same data is also added in the database, and this is not what we want. So what we did basically in the code, as you can see, this is the form that we are going to submit. So this is the controller, add controller, which add all the details. So when we go to that controller, as you can see, these are all the details. Means this is the method which will take parameters, all the parameters, and set it in object, and then we just save the object. As you can see, we save all the objects by using Hibernate. And now when all the objects are saved, we are just redirecting, means we are just sending it to another servlet which is displaying all the details. So the problem is with the request dispatcher. Basically, request dispatcher passes the control to another servlet or JSP and not even tell the client browser. But in this case, if you just remove this particular thing and add response.send redirect and then pass the particular link, then you can, then the problem is solved. Means send redirect not even stop further processing, but also send a 301 error to, means a 301 status code to the client browser, so that there will be no form resubmission. So what we do is we just save this particular thing and then just go back and click here, and then we try to add some more details again. It is responding quite slow. So as you can see, I'm adding some details here, and I submitted. Now I'm going to refresh this, and as you can see, there is no form resubmission error. And that is it, the solution. Thank you so much for watching.